You're gonna do that all by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Are bananas your favorite, or do you like other fruit too?
Banana. Only banana.
Only banana? What about strawberries?
Strawberries, yes.
What about grapes?
Grapes are not my favorite.
Not your favorite. What about raspberries?
Raspberries are yes.
What about mango?
Mango, yes.
Yes. What about peaches?
Yes.
Yes. What about pears?
Yes.
Yes.
I peeled it.
Good job.
Now I need to cut the.
Okay, please be careful with the knife, okay?
Want to cut
Doing a
the-
great job.
Yeah. I don't want.
You don't want the end part? You're so good at being safe.
Banana, where is this?
You can just put it on your plate. I'm gonna move this over. Okay. Wonderful job. Are bananas soft or hard?
The banana is soft.
Soft.
It's soft.
What do bananas taste like?
Yummy.
Yummy. Great job. Look at how big you are. Okay, how many pieces you got?
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They already got
I think you did. I'll count them again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Okay, 9.
9.
All right, good job. Okay, put the knife down. You ready to eat your banana?
Yeah.
Yummy.
I eat it.
You can pick it up with your hand. Chew it all up good. Okay, can you say bye?
Bye.
See you later. We're gonna have some snack.
I love